Most people start Amazon affiliate marketing, get 0 results, and then they quit. Now, it's not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, it's because they keep making the same mistakes over and over again. In this video, I will show you what those mistakes actually are and how you can avoid them, so then you can start making your commissions faster. I'm Jay and welcome to Affiliate Made Simple. I teach you how to make affiliate income the right way, without confusion, without guesswork, and without the hype. If you're serious about making serious commissions, make sure you subscribe and don't miss out on any future tutorial videos. The biggest mistake that beginners make is simply promoting random products. They just pick whatever looks cool on Amazon. Random stuff like home, tech gadgets, pet stuff, and just spam their links everywhere hoping for sales. This simply doesn't work. Why? Because there's no audience targeting. If you promote a dog leash one day, a kitchen blender the next, and a tech gadget the day after, you confuse your audience. They don't know what your page or channel is all about. The fix: pick one niche and focus on that. For example, home organization, tech gadgets, pet stuff, or beauty and skincare. Stick to one category. Be the go-to guy for that. And then after time, your audience will start to trust your recommendations. The second mistake that I see everywhere is people dropping links without giving actual value. New affiliates tend to say, here's a link, buy this. And unfortunately, people do not buy from strangers. Affiliate marketing works when you earn trust first. Fix for this: create value-based content. For example, show how the product solves a problem. Create content like a good review or your honest opinion. Do product comparisons, A versus B, and share your honest opinion, honest review, an honest demo. When people actually see you using the product, giving a demo, it builds credibility. You're no longer just selling, you're helping. And that's what builds trust and ultimately turns clicks into commissions. The third mistake, and the most common, is people quitting too early. Here's the truth. Affiliate marketing takes time to build momentum. It might take 1 or 2 weeks before you see clicks. This is completely normal. Every successful affiliate started small. The fix: stay consistent for at least 30 to 60 days. Post valuable content 3 to 5 times a week. Use analytics to find out what's getting clicks and then double down on that style of content. It's like planting a seed. The more content you make, the more data is collected. Eventually, those clicks turn into commissions. Here's a bonus tip that most people overlook. Always track your links. Use Amazon's tracking IDs to analyze which platforms are working best: YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, etc. Once you know what's working, you can scale it. So let's do a little recap. Mistake number 1, don't post random product links. Stick to one niche. Mistake 2, don't just spam your links. Add value, create honest tutorials. And mistake number 3, don't quit too early. Consistency builds results. Follow those 3 rules and you'll already be ahead of 90% of beginners. If you want my free ebook, which explains everything step by step to build your first Amazon affiliate income, the link is in the description and it's also in my bio. It's completely free. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow for more Affiliate Made Simple tutorials. Also, pop a little comment in the section below. Let me know which niche you're picking.